The BMW E30 was the second generation of BMW 3 Series produced from 1982 to 1994 and replaced the E21 3 Series. The model range included two-door coupe and convertible body styles, as well as being the first 3 Series to be produced in four-door sedan and wagon estate body style. It was powered by 4-cylinder petrol, 6-cylinder petrol, and 6-cylinder diesel engines, with the latter being a first for the 3 Series. The E30 325iX model was the first BMW to have all-wheel drive. The first BMW M3 model was built on the E30 platform and was powered by the high-revving BMW S14 4-cylinder petrol engine, which produced 175 kilowatts in its final iteration. The BMW Z1 Roadster was also based on the E30 platform. Following the launch of the E36 3 Series in 1990, the E30 began to be phased out. The E30 3 Series was developed under chief designer Klaus Luth, with exterior styling led by Boke Boyer, with the final design being approved in 1978 and released at the end of 1982. Although the E30's appearance is very similar to twin headlight versions of its E21 predecessor, there are various detail changes in styling to the E30. Major differences to the E21 include the interior and the revised suspension, which was designed to reduce the oversteer that the E21 was criticized for. External styling changes included redesigned rear lights, front bumper, and a reduction in the amount of chrome trim. The 4-cylinder engine was upgraded from the BMW M10 to the BMW M40, and various other mechanical changes were made. Front McPherson struts and rear semi-trailing arm suspensions of the E30 were a compact arrangement that left a lot of cabin and boot space for the car's overall size. The semi-trailing arms have been criticized for the dynamic toe and chamber changes inherent to the suspension geometry, causing bump steering in hard cornering situations. Nonetheless, reviewers praise the handling of the E30. This particular 1988 BMW E30 has been fully restored with a new paint job and much bodywork, which took about a year due to the time that it took to acquire all the parts. What a joy to see this BMW come back to its former glory. To schedule your detail, reach out to Smallest Detail Auto Spot 813-510-7906.